Welcome, Info is an ASUS Zenfone 8, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. To get started, hold power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. So let's do that right now. This will boot you into the boot mode. So once you see this, let go of the keys, and then using volume keys to navigate you want to select recovery mode and then confirm that with power key. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. Now just as before, you will use volume keys to navigate through this menu and power key to confirm whatever is selected. And from here you can reboot the device and go back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will take you back to where we were before. Enter fast boot mode, perform a factory reset of the device and simply power off the device. Now just gonna leave this by selecting reboot system now and pressing power key. And there we go, as you can see we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.